Smartsheet ENGAGE brings together thousands of innovators from around the world for 4 incredible days. And here are just a few reasons why you can't miss this year's customer conference.
At number 1, sharpen your skills. Breakout sessions, new learning labs, ProDesk. ENGAGE is one of the best ways to take your Smartsheet skills to the next level, regardless of where you're starting from.
Number 2, it's about connecting with others. Community, networking, connections. There's nothing more powerful than the Smartsheet community. ENGAGE is the most unique opportunity for all of us to come together.
At number 3, see what's new.
Between keynote announcements and in-depth sessions, you'll be the first to know what's new in Smartsheet.
Take a tour of new solutions and uncover even more ways Smartsheet can power your business.
And now, number 4, shape the future. ENGAGE is where we learn from you and directly apply your thoughts to the future of Smartsheet.
And number 5, it's a blast. It's an incredible experience. You've got to come join us.
Look forward to seeing you.